welcome back to another video. Hi, if you're new, my name is Esther, and in today's video it is all about this beautiful unit from Premium Lace Wigs. Now, as always, I love sharing with you guys all the items that I get in my box in hopes that you guys get the same thing. Now, to be honest, I don't think I remember the last time I had a full lace wig. I'm talking about this is a whole 360 unit. I am so obsessed, you guys. I mean, you can wear this unit up in a bun, ponytail, you can braid it if you'd like to. Baby, this is a unit that you can just do whatever your heart desires. Now, this is their 24-inch Yaki texture. Now, I did get my hands on the color 4 and the density is 130, and I think the density is actually perfect. It's not too thick and it's also not too thin. Get into it, honey. You could throw this in a high ponytail if you'd like. So I did go in and just pluck it a little bit more because I felt like that hairline needed a little bit of customization. Now with this unit, you guys, you do need to customize, and when I mean customize, I'm talking about plucking. You don't have to bleach the knots because the color is already the knots are already bleached, but the most you need to do is pluck and also tint the lace, and I did that in this video. I did not show that part, but I did it off camera. But yes, girl, so I threw this hair in a ponytail because I wanted to see how it looks when it's all up in a bun. Again, 360, so it was kind of tough for me to cut that lace off because I couldn't see myself, but you know what, we got the job done, okay? Now, because this is a 360 unit, I would not recommend using a Got2b spray. If you have a Ghost Bond or a glue that's very strong, use that, because Got2b spray was not it for this 360 unit. I feel like it wasn't that strong enough. It's only strong in like the front of the lace, but the back, you need something more stronger. So I would recommend you to use your Ghost Bond. So for styling this unit, I did go ahead and just added some wand curls. I was going for a beachy wave type of look, and I feel like I did a pretty good job. I didn't want the curls to be too like curly, you know what I'm saying? I wanted that beachy wave, okay? Y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all know what I mean. But yes, girl, I was going for more of a beachy wave type of look, and I think this unit just looked so pretty like that. I would say it does hold a curl up very well, but if you brush it out, obviously it's gonna fall, but it's not that bad. Like, it's really not that bad. You guys are gonna see me like brush out the curls, and I realize I'm into brushing out the curls. I would like curl a whole unit out and then I just want to brush it out. I just love the unperfect type of curls nowadays. But yeah, it looks pretty good nonetheless, you guys. I'm gonna have all the details for this unit down in the description box. If there's any discount codes, check the description out because you guys would get all that information down below. As always, I love y'all so much. Now, Penasana, and I will see you guys in another video.